Hello students, good morning and have a good day. Now we are going to study about DRDO. So what is DRDO? First of all, what is DRDO? It is a Defense Research and Development Organization. So what it is? Defense Research and Development Organization. It is an Indian organization which is responsible for military research and development. For what it is responsible for? Military research and development. And now what are its aim? Its aim is design, develop and lead to production state of the art sensors, weapons, systems, platforms and allied equipments for our defense services. Okay. Then next what is aim? Provide technological solution to the defense services to optimize combat effectiveness and to promote well-being of the troops. Okay, second point, provide technological solution to the defense services to optimize combat effectiveness and to promote well-being of the troops. And the third aim, develop infrastructure and committed quality manpower and build strong technology base. Develop infrastructure and committee quality manpower and build strong technology base. The DRDO was formed in 1958 by merging the Technical Development Establishment of the Indian Army and Directorate of Technical Development and Production with the Defense Science Organization. It is administered by the Ministry of Defense, Government of India. Thus, the Defense Minister of India is the head of DRDO and it headquartered at DRDO Bhavan in New Delhi. Where is DRDO? Who is the head of DRDO? Ministry of Defense, that is from Government of India, and it is headquarters is at DRDO Bhavan in New Delhi. The DRDO employs over 30,000 employees, out of which 5,000 are scientists, 25,000 are other scientists, technical and supporting personnel. It is one of India's largest and most diverse research organization. 52 laboratories across the country are engaged in developing defense technology which cover varied areas like aeronautics, armaments, electronics, combat vehicles, engineering system, instrumentation, missiles, advanced computing and simulation, special materials, naval system, life sciences, training information system and agriculture. The first surface-to-air missile program of DRDO was called Project Indigo. It was under an Indo-Swiss agreement to develop intermediate range surface-to-air missile which was started by India in 1962. In 1983, the Integrated Guided Missile Development Program was launched by the Ministry of Defense for the research and development of the comprehensive range of missiles. During 1980, under the leadership of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, DRDO successfully developed missiles like Prithvi, Trishul, Akash and Nag indigenously. Then last, Div Chakshu, which means divine eye, is a thorough barrier imaging radar developed by DRDO and is capable of scanning through walls up to 20 to 30 centimeter thickness. It is now being used by the Indian Armed Forces in hostage rescue operations. And at last, in 2015, J. Manjula was appointed as the first woman Director General of the Defense Research and Development Organization, Electrics and Communication Systems, one of the 7 main clusters of DRDO. And Bhoj Jolika is one of the hottest chilies in the world and is found growing in Assam in India. It was used in a chili generate made by DRDO. It is a non-toxic weapon and when used can force a terrorist to come out of his hiding. It is effect its pungent and may literally choke a person. Then at last, the BrahMos supersonic cruise missile, jointly developed by India's DRDO and Russia's Nippon, in the world fastest missile. Thanks to DRDO, India is only the country in the world that supersonic cruise missiles in their army, navy and air forces there. So that's all for DRDO. Thank you students and have a good day. Thank you.